Here's how to make a comeback paper aeroplane where it comes back. So first, you want to get A4 paper, and then you're going to fold it in half from right to left, and then it looks like this, and then open it up, and then you're going to fold the both corners in, so look like that, and then do the other one, and then you're going to fold this bit down right to the bottom, like that, and then you see this bit here. I'll let you just do that for a second. See this bit here? No? You're going to fold it up back to the top. So it looks like that. And then you see these bits can open up a little bit. From the right side, you're gonna open up the left side of where that bit is there, and then put it inside, not the corner one like we did at the start, but you're gonna do one where it goes like that. Inside the so it should look like that, and then you're just going to do the other side, open up the right, you might have to move the left a little bit. And then you're just going to slot it in. And then just push down any bits that are sticking up. So, it should look like that. And then you're going to fold it in half from where it is, so fold it in half like that. And then you're going to fold these bits here from the top. You're just going to do it to the bottom. To the bottom of the paper. And then do the other side, so it should look like this, and then just flip it over to the side and do the other bit, and then just do the wings up a little bit, and